Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review Classic Industries. Classic Industries is a popular supplier of restoration and performance parts for classic American cars, especially models like Chevrolet Camaro, Chevelle, and Nova, as well as Mopar vehicles and vintage trucks. They've built a solid reputation for offering a wide selection of OEM-style parts, accessories, and even hard-to-find components. What makes Classic Industries stand out is their dedication to authenticity. Many of their parts are officially licensed by major automakers, which means you're getting accurate replicants that fit and functions like the originals. The website is easy to navigate and you can search by make, model, and year, which is helpful when restoring specific vehicles. Shipping is generally fast and the customer support is reliable, though some customers report that certain items may go on back order depending on availability. Overall, if you're restoring a vintage car and want quality parts backed by a trusted name, Classic Industries is a go-to source worth checking out. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.